My name is Stephen Poitras. I'm one of the founding architects at DevRev. The idea behind DevRev is bringing different facets of the business together and operating them on one single central platform. By doing so, everyone's kind of operating in coordination. And that's the idea behind DevRev is, can we have one platform that everyone works on, just like an ERP was for the supply chain? Rather than just accepting status quo, we kind of thought, hey, what if we could do things differently? What if we could actually, not take a step increment or just kind of bolt things together, but what if we rethought the problem and came up with a different solution that way? Then by leveraging the power of artificial intelligence and AI, we can bring a ton of efficiency, a ton of automation that makes people's lives much more productive and allows them to focus on a lot more innovation. From the beginning, we always knew that MongoDB was going to be, the core platform there. Because if you look at all the other kind of, data tier vendors out there today, they're very traditional, very legacy. They're not, creating a lot of innovation. And so that's one of the things when we looked at MongoDB is not only did it provide scalability, flexibility, as well as the ability to just leverage it as a service, but there's a lot of innovation taking place. And that's one of the key things is anytime you make one of those critical decisions, it's really about not necessarily what they provide today, but the rate at which they're innovating. The whole goal is to be a platform, right? And so just like MongoDB is not just a document store, right? It's a platform that facilitates different aspects and different needs of data. And that's really what we're trying to do, but just for a business. The fact that we can scale both horizontally as well as vertically as we see fit. The fact that we can actually scale up and scale down. The fact that we can minimize data migration by leveraging native features like search and vector. These things are very, very key. But also the fact that, it's just fast. We need something that's powerful, it's scalable, it can do not just transactional, but also analytical workloads without having to move data. To be honest, I don't think there's really any other option out there today if you were looking at data platforms to help facilitate and build a SaaS platform that was enabling to AI besides MongoDB.